Garages are versatile spaces that accommodate a range of activities, from car maintenance to DIY projects. Garage hex lighting takes functionality to the next level by providing precise and even illumination. The multi-sided design disperses light at various angles, minimizing shadows and ensuring you have clear visibility for tasks that require precision, whether you're fixing a car engine, crafting a woodworking masterpiece, or working on a home improvement project. Garage hex lighting ensures that every corner of your workspace is well lit. No more squinting or straining, just clear, efficient, and focused illumination. Your garage is a reflection of your personality and interests, and garage hex lighting lets you showcase your individuality. These fixtures offer a canvas for creativity, allowing you to arrange them in unique patterns or configurations that resonate with your style. From symmetrical layouts to artistic arrangements, garage hex lighting lets you curate a workspace. LEDs are known for their longevity, translating to fewer replacements and less maintenance over time. You're not only investing in illumination, you're investing in a cost-effective and environmentally conscious lighting solution.